in the voting for PBA draft converge 5-year ex-air select Justin Baldassar.
Justin Baldassar is the first overall pick of the PBA draft season 49. The Telasal Green Archers program now accompanied by the Blackwater Boston.
Okay. Pick number 2, Blackwater Boston selects Cedric Fairfield.
Cedric Fairfield, welcome to the Blackwater Boston as the second overall pick. Born in San Jose, California, tracing his roots.
Barangay Nuebra picks RJ Aparientos.
RJ Aparientos will go to Barangay Ginebra. And as you know, Cedric Fairfield and RJ Aparientos both representing the country in the Jones Cup right now. But RJ will be represented by another Aparientos, the Flying A. Will be representing his nephew RJ. Fourth overall pick of the PBA draft season 49 will be made by the Phoenix Fuel Masters.
For the fourth pick of the 2024 rookie draft, the Phoenix Fuel Masters select Kyle Balumay.
Out of the Ateneo Blue Eagles program, Kyle Balumay will now be headed to the Phoenix Fuel Masters. The pick of the first round will be made by the Northport Bottom Hill.
Northport Batam Pierre select David Ildefonso.
David Ildefonso also competing in the Jones Cup currently, but well represented. That's certainly yung pangalan ng Ildefonso, adding another member into the PBA. And the family, the sixth overall pick belongs to the NLEX Road Warriors.
For the sixth pick, NLEX select Junel Bolivar.
The MVP of the recent draft combine now will be wearing a uniform, a jersey from the NLEX Road Warriors, Junel Bolivar, the sixth overall pick of this draft.
And our second picks.
Felix number 20 will be going to the Rainbow Shine Elastos pay-per-view.
Felix Alexander Lavetti, naglaro to.
Ready to receive the ninth pick of the first round. This will be made by the Magnolia Hotshots.
For the ninth pick, Magnolia Chicken Tinflanos Hotshots select Jerome Espinosa.
Magnolia Chicken Tinflanos Hotshots pick Jerome Espinosa out of Adamson University, and has also represented our country, our flag, as a member of Pilas Pilipinas.
For the 10th pick, the Terrapilma Gym selects Mark Nonoy.
Mark Nonoy, nagpakilala as a member of USDM De La Salle, now will be going to the Terrapilma Gym. Made by the recently crowned Philippine Cup champions, the Meralco Bulls.
With the 11th pick, the Meralco Bucks select CJ Cancino.